What's up? Raymond here, the Boston, Mass. We're 3.5 weeks out from the Olympia. Things are starting to change fast. Feeling good. Broke under the 220 mark this morning, so I'm getting tighter and harder and fuller every day. You'll be able to notice a little different from last week. I'm excited, getting pumped. It's always good when you start to see the changes. It gives me a little confidence. I'm definitely feeling confident. Also, wanted to mention a few things coming up. I'm guest posing this weekend at Victor Martinez's show in New York, in the Bronx. I'll be guest posing in Minnesota in 2 weeks, and we'll have the Olympia. And then I go to Korea again for the Korean Grand Prix. This will be my 3rd year in a row. It's going to be awesome. And then the Tuesday following the show in Korea, David Henry and I will be doing a seminar out there. So that's exciting. I can't wait to see everyone out there, all the Korean fans. They're always really friendly. As soon as I'm done with that Wednesday I fly to Adelaide, Australia. I'll be guest posing out there and doing some more seminars. So a lot of traveling, a lot of exciting things going on. But first things first, I gotta kill this and get ready for the Olympia. So we're gonna start with some rear delts, which my man Jay Cutler instilled in me. You know, everyone's got the side delts, the front delts, you know, pressing, but they always wait till the end to do rear delts. So for the last few years, I've been pretty much starting my workout with rear delts and making it a focus. And it really makes things pop in a rear lat spread and a rear double bicep, even on the side shots, quarter turns, and side chest. It really brings the 3 dimensions to the shoulder. It gives you a lot more thickness. So that's it. Hope you enjoy the video and learn a thing or two. And keep an eye out for when I'll be coming to your area next. So, just got off the phone with my boy Guy Sistemino. Talked for about 45 minutes on my way to the gym. And we're both excited for this show. He's a little nervous. This will be his 5th Olympia, I believe. 4th or 5th. And he's getting progressively better every year. It's going to be a tough Olympia. One of the best ones in a while. In a long time. Especially for our class. A lot of new guys coming up. We got that guy Dolbry from Bulgaria. We got the new guy from Kuwait. We got the resurgence of Mark Dugdale winning 3 shows this year. We got David Henry, who's finally adjusting to retired life, and he's going to be a freak. Obviously Flex is the favorite. This old man's going to be there. You know, a lot of people think because whatever, you know, I got married, I was a little behind. I may still be behind, but I'm at the stage where I'm changing every day. Every day. So, mark my words, day of the show, I'll be ready. You know, I got married, a lot of distractions, knee surgery, but oftentimes you produce your best product under pressure. You know, what do they say? Diamonds are forged under pressure, something like that. I don't know the exact words, but something like that. So I'm going to be hard as a diamond. Can't leave out the perennial veterans. Eduardo Correa and Sami Al-Haddad will be back this year as well. So it's going to be awesome. Very exciting. You got the Tank Dixon. You know, there are so many nasty bodybuilders. And if anyone's off, next guy steps right in. So you can't afford to be off. I certainly can't afford it. I ain't pretty enough to be off. I gotta be a freak. So, that's what I'm counting on. Shit, almost left out Hide. Hide, the Arnold Classic champion. Hide's awesome. He's a good friend, he's a great man, and a great bodybuilder. It's gonna be nice to whip his ass. Just kidding. No, I'm not. All by myself today. My wife is a little upset. She likes to be in all my videos. She started her own YouTube channel. She's gonna get more followers than me, she said. I don't really have a lot, but she's gonna be, it's under Michaela Marie Raymond, so give her a follow. Watch some of the nonsense she posts. Bunch of ass videos, that's what it is. Her doing stuff like deadlifts and lunges. So I'm sure that's worth watching. I see it every day, I'm gonna watch that shit. Now if you're wondering why I don't fully extend, I don't want to involve my biceps. So when you fully extend, you got to re-engage the bicep to get back, and it takes stress off the rear delt. So I limit the range of motion to just squeezing the rear delt. I never go all the way out. So give that a shot. A lot more effective. Next move is going to be a shrug. I've been doing this just for the last month or so, few months, where I pre-fatigue my traps from doing shrugs before I do any side raises. I notice a lot of the time my traps take a lot of the brunt when I'm doing side raises. So if I do some shrugs first, pre-exhaust the traps, in theory, my side delts will get a lot more of the work. And that's what we want. We'll give it a shot. Look at this. Always good to have one of these in the bag. Delicious. It's good shit. Some passion fruit PCAs. Yeah. Feel it a little more. And I only come to here. Any more than this is more trap. So I come here to here. And I feel it good. Look at that. I'm on the last hole effortlessly. that concludes the Boston Mass shoulder workout. 3.5 weeks out from the Olympia. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Get all your friends, tell all your friends and neighbors to subscribe. We'll be bringing out a lot more stuff. At least one video, possibly 2 a week until the Olympia. Depends on how lazy my cameraman is. And we'll probably, again, film the whole weekend like I did last year at the Olympia, and possibly Korea as well. And I'll bring a camera to my guest appearances, so it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have you follow me all the way. You'll see what I do leading up to the big show. A lot of people don't like to travel. As long as your nutrition and training and cardio is on point, there's no reason you can't travel. You gotta make money. It's part of the job. It's to travel, make appearances, guest pose. So I'll try to document it all so you guys can see and watch me get better day by day. So until next time, again, thanks for watching. Thanks PPI. Thanks Jay Cutler and Cutler Nutrition. Cutler Athletics. Thanks Cardillo Weight Belts, Steve Cardillo. Thank you to Blue Jim Redding. Thank you to my wife, my lovely wife, for being a pain in my ass and ragging on me every day. Her famous line is, Flex Lewis doesn't do that. You wouldn't see Flex Lewis doing that. Shut up. Alright. Thanks for watching. Peace out.